it's more or less.
Let me start off by telling you this, Chuck, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, you see how different this could have been if that was on the outside of your clothing? That makes sense? I understand it was on your belt. Yeah, but you see the difference how this could have went this interaction went. Okay. I understand your jacket went over it, but I couldn't see anything on your belt. Okay. Now you're out there by yourself. You're security. Yes, you have your whatever that BB gun is, right? So what happens if someone comes up and confronts you with a real gun?
Well, but
see how that is?
I'm not gonna.
That's not gonna work out
my
well.
life in jeopardy, other than you know what I'm saying, to save a child or a woman.
Okay.
Or, you know.
All right. Watch yourself. I don't care. That's okay. Okay. So here's the thing, Chuck, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are you homeless right now?
No, I own a
Where are you staying at?
my home.
Where at?
59 Chad.
Okay. All right, step out.
Vito,
Yeah,
we're gonna help you.
I'm trying.
Let me help you out.
Yeah, God bless. I appreciate it.
Yep. Sometimes the feet don't work, huh?
No, the feet work fine. I just these boots are busted. It's just
I don't want you to fall.
It's just just a left knee. I'll show you.
Okay.
Maybe I can run it.
All right, I'm gonna take you to the front of the car, okay?
Sure.
You diabetic? Are you diabetic? Your attitude, you think you're fine, but you're not fine. You got an attitude. You don't argue with people who are telling you what you did wrong. You understand? Please, we're trained in the law, you're not, right? You
No, I've
don't
been
know.
trained in the law.
You don't know about a revised statute carrying concealed weapon other than firearm?
No, I wasn't.
Well, there you go.
Well,
You don't study the law, so don't argue about it. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right.
So here's the deal, okay? Just on the outside of your clothing, I understand your jacket may have slipped over, but you can't have it. You got to make sure I can see it at all times. Because if I come up on you, I need to be able to see that you have that on you. Okay? All right. So here's a knife over there. Just throw it in his bag.
It's just my paring knife that I use.
Just stay right there.
You're telling me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Every night, everything is done. Even a box cutter is a weapon.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
You
box.
got it. If I held it to your face right now, would you be in fear for your life? If you didn't know it worked or not.
Oh yeah, I understand your
I
right.
don't know. Neither does anybody else. There's
Well,
no
it's
but.
because of the
It's
coyotes
okay.
and
Stop
stuff.
arguing.
There's no
Stop.
ifs, ands, or buts. Okay, we're
Yes.
cutting a break. You understand?
I do.
Okay. So here's right. Okay. You got to carry this on the outside of your person. Okay.
Sure.
So here's the deal.
What is my?
All of your stuff, I'm putting it in your bag. You can suck.
You can sort through it later. All right.
Yep.
Oh yes, ma'am.
While it's in your pocket. Or nope. In there.
Could I get? Yeah.
Just hold on. We're just giving you all of your stuff.
Okay. Yes,
We're
sir.
gonna put everything over there. So stay right here.
Okay.
just recording us.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, how's it going?
Is he one of ours or is he just
No.
Definitely not.
So here's the deal, okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna stand right here, we're gonna get in the car, we're gonna drive away, alright?
Okay.
And then don't go to your car until we drive away. And then make sure you keep that on the outside of your clothes, okay? Alright, take
Safe,
care.
okay? All right.
Take care.
Thank you.
All righty.
How's it going, sir?
Good.
Turn off the camera.
They got you for open carrying, huh? Or concealed carrying?
No, yeah, but it was, my jacket was, it wasn't, they ran my deal, so they saw it was okay, but it,
Right.
are you with the news or?
Independent media.
Oh.
Yeah, I actually do a lot of watching. I try to keep an eye on them, make sure that they're not violating people's rights and stuff like
Well,
that.
God bless you. I
Yeah.
mean, you know, for
Yeah.
what you do.
Well, what did they stop you for? What was the whole?
The light, I was riding my bike to catch the bus. See, the gosh darn buses don't run but every 40 minutes, right?
Right.
And I was watching I didn't have a walk sign, but it was still, you know, the lights were green for cross traffic, but not to make a left, right?
Right.
And when I got off the bus, the Eastern bus only runs every hour after 1 o'clock. And I wanted to catch in fact, there'll be one coming here, and I want to get my gear together so I don't
Okay,
miss
I'll
it.
walk with you over there.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. They're just doing their job. It's hard. I understand where they're coming from, and then they started carrying it, and I showed them all my stuff, and that I was retired off the job, and they still, I mean, and it's a tough job. I understand what they're up against, but they gave me a warning and they let me go. You know, it's just the idea.
Yeah, I
But,
totally feel you. But you know, to me, you know, I mean, imagine how many people have been arrested for that.
Oh,
You know,
I can
As a
imagine.
matter of fact, I was at my club, open carrying my firearm. We got a visit from Metropolitan Police Department. They to check the business license. Sorry.
Yeah.
They were there to check the business license. Well, they said my gun was concealed.
That's ridiculous.
But he discerned it by ordinary observation. The statute says if it's discernible by ordinary observation, it isn't concealed. Well, they arrested me anyways.
Well, he got mad because I gave him some shit, and I didn't mean to. I just was, I got a phony knee, and
nobody likes getting stopped. You're a human being. You have a right to be left alone.
well, that's
You have
what
a
I,
right
yeah, and I thought that was a little overkill, and then I guess they made a call and they checked me out, and they said, okay, you're free to go, but watch yourself. We're cutting you, and I said, fine, and then he said, make sure. I said, it's for the coyotes. I work at Air Freight. I'm retired. I'm 76. I haven't, you know, run my paperwork or whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't know. Then they took all my stuff apart, and I don't know. I gotta watch what so I don't drop anything. Hang on a
Did they
second.
handcuff you?
No, they made. I was in the back of the car. Hang on a second. I want to make sure this is.
I was trying to give you some light.
Oh yeah.
Is that okay?
I'm good. I just want to make sure I got everything in here, because my wallet. They took my wallet out, and
Well, I'm gonna shine some light for you if you don't mind.
sure, that's fine. God bless you. I appreciate your help.
So you're just a working man.
Well, I'm a security officer, yeah. And I don't want this in the paper if it's okay, because then they may push the ticket to traffic driving my bike across the thing or something, which I don't understand that.
It's just another way to extort us.
I'll tell you what, they sure have changed over, you know, since I'm just saying, it's just an old man talking. they have sure changed attitudes, if you will, in the last wee bit of time. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And I
That's why
think-
I'm out here doing this.
I think that they might. I don't know if they're gonna try to scare me or take me to jail or some bullshit. But when they saw you, I said, "Who's that gentleman over there?" As he was you fellas, you know. And then they said no. They're like, oh. And then they shut up. And then they just started being nice to me, you know,
Well, that's good.
because of you.
That's good.
was-
That's a good thing.
Yes. Good Lord.
That's why I'm out here doing this. You know, it's,
Man,
to keep
you know, be
people safe.
careful.
Oh yeah, I've already been arrested for this. I've already been.
Really?
My family's been targeted. I've been, you know, they've labeled me a domestic terrorist. They're saying I'm anti-cop, I'm anti-police. But I love my country. I believe in the U.S. Constitution. I believe
Yes.
that in order for us to live in a free society, we have to have a limited government.
Yes.
And
yeah.
that's all it is, accountability. Just keeping our
Well,
public
this isn't
servants
fucking
official.
Russia, you know what I
responsible.
mean?
Right, but it's turning like Russia.
They're trying.
The atmosphere is pretty similar. I mean, I know a lot of people say, well, we're not exactly quite there, but how do you think tyranny happens? Tyranny isn't overnight. It's a gradual process. And
I think he didn't like my Trump sticker or something. I don't know. Well, I appreciate, what's your name?
My name's Joshua.
Joshua? My name's Uncle Chuck. Chuck Boston.
Chuck?
And, yes, sir. And I appreciate you being here
Awesome.
because the lady, it's strange, was harder than the guy.
Oh, I dealt with her earlier today. She was up in my face.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, she
What
was.
did you? Oh, really?
Oh, I was filming another stop, and they were the same way. As soon as I got there, they were all nice, patting the people that they just stopped on the back, doing the same type of stuff, man. So she hates me. She does not like me. She tried to get me to back away, threaten me with arrest. I didn't move.
Really?
Yeah, I stayed right there and I said, I'm not moving.
What did? You're just doing your job. What?
Yeah.
Why
this is
would
my
that?
job right
You
here.
see what I'm saying? Yeah. Well, God bless you.
All right, Chuck. Well, it was awesome
I
talking
hope
to
this
you.
doesn't make the papers, but if it does,
No, as a matter of fact, you'll be in the good light because of how polite you are, how nice you are. And, I guarantee you, you're not going to get a negative view on this, okay?
well, God bless you. I appreciate it.
All right, brother.
Take care.
All right, we'll
Be safe. Watch yourself with, you know, why, you know, I'm just, it may behoove you to have somebody else with you.
I do. They're
Oh,
nearby.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, they're nearby.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah, I'm always got someone watching my back. But you have a good day. Good
God
night,
bless you,
Chuck,
yeah.
and
I
you be
wonder
safe.
where, now I don't know where my bus pass is. Probably in here somewhere.
You gonna be okay?
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna just ride home. It's not that far. Okay, well, God bless
Well,
you.
okay, all right. Well, if you need a couple bucks, I got some.
Oh,
couple
no,
bucks
I've
on
got,
me. You're
no,
good.
I'm a homeowner. I get my pension, my Social Security.
Well, I know sometimes they don't take large bills, the buses and stuff. So,
No,
so if you got too many large bills and you need a small.
no, they put everything, that's what I can do. I can just put a couple, my bus pass, I got my old people bus pass. I'm 76, and so I buy the discounted bus pass because until I get my eyes done, I'm a non-vet, right, 61 to 66, and the veterans actually sent me to a civilian ophthalmologist place, and they're going to pick up the tab to have my goodness, I've got this, I'm cognitive, my skills are okay, I just, I've got a little Alzheimer's going, and I don't know, my wife died a few years ago, so and I've been working Friday, Saturday, Sunday at the airport it's just me and the old cat that live in the house now, I mean, I have my children, we have 4 children, 2 still live in town. One's a teacher, she's married to a teacher, they're wonderful kids, they've got 3 children. When your kids are 40s and 50s, you know you're getting out there, right? And I am a clean one owner. I don't dope or drink or nothing, I vote. I'm a little politically active. I'm kind of active in my viewpoints, and I don't know that it's a good thing or a bad thing, but it is what it is,
Sure is, brother.
I've you know, when I was young, my wife even used to say, God, why are you doing that? I said, well, you're always writing your congressmen and you're always, you know, I said,
Well,
"Yeah,
there are representatives. We're
this
their
is what
boss. They work
I
for
said,
us.
you know, you might as well get used to it, honey. And she was a kind of a liberal, you know, woman's movement thing, so she shouldn't, you know, and I've raised my children as such to vote and respect the country, you know.
Yeah.
And it isn't because, you know, I got a row of stuff from Nam, but it's just, this is our country and it's us.
And we're responsible for it.
Yeah,
It's a
yes.
republic if we can keep it.
Yes, sir.
And we got to keep it that way.
That's exactly right. Okay, well,
All
guys,
right. You have a good night, man. It was awesome talking to you.
it was awesome talking to you, and thank you for, you know, I have a feeling that you being in the area was a good thing to help me, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, absolutely. Totally get it.
And the guy said, like, this is I said, I use it to cut the ties off of the boxes at work. It's not he said, it's a weapon.
Wow.
I said, really? You know, I said, okay. You know,
Well, a butter knife is a weapon to them.
yeah, well,
You know?
I was going to say, I don't know. You know, the Second Amendment's got to mean something.
Yeah, it doesn't
I'm
anymore.
just saying, you know, I'm not going to preach, but
I'm with you there, man. I'm all about the Second Amendment, but unfortunately, they've stripped all our rights from us.
Yeah,
But
I'm
Chuck,
gonna
you
just
have a
go.
good night. Get on your bike. Get
You
home
take
safe,
care.
brother.
yes, sir. God bless.
God bless. All right, guys. Joshua Martinez here. One City Boys Stand for Freedom. There's another happy customer. Someone who was happy that I was around. Well, not me, the camera. And I'm just holding it, aiming it the right direction. So we'll go ahead and sign off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you all. Take care of yourselves and each other. And remember to keep them cameras rolling.